All right, welcome back, everybody. It was not fun walking around outside today. I was in the grocery store parking lot, kind of stuck up against my car. A car was driving by, and we all kind of laughed just a little bit. But it is a little humorous, but it is also very dangerous. Yak tracks may be the best thing you can do. Those are little metal things that go on the bottom of your shoes you could just kind of throw on there. But no real relief from the icy conditions anytime soon, and it will get worse before it gets better. Currently above the freezing point in the capital at 33. The temperatures, we're going all the way down in the upper teens and low 20s here tonight. So last night it made it down to around 28 to 33 degrees. So very close and around the freezing point in the capital and a lot of north central Montana. But tonight will be much colder. Great Falls currently 35 degrees, and yeah, more of that snow melting. And after the rain last night, some water still standing around. That will be freezing again here tonight. Down below the freezing point for Cut Bank over to Havre. Lewistown a hair above the freezing point. Very snowy down around Three Forks over through Bozeman and Livingston. West Yellowstone at 28 degrees. So still a winter weather advisory, and that really does include the Bozeman Pass here in between Bozeman and Livingston. And the Beartooth, the Absarokas, still looking at a winter storm warning. Still some pretty good snow down over the south central part of the state, and some snow from Big Timber all the way through Laurel. A little rain around the Billings area. Check out some of the snow just north of the Lincoln area up there around Copper Creek. Too bad Teton Pass isn't open. They're picking up some real nice snow on the Rocky Mountain front. Some snow for the big snowies as well. Lewistown pretty much in the clear as far as the snow goes. And if you are headed down this way, again, around Bozeman, just south of there, Gallatin Gateway picking up about 7 to 10 inches of snow. The Bridger Range, last time I saw, had 11 inches of snow. So some pretty good snow a little further south in the southern half of the state. Red Lodge picking up some nice snow right now. So here's what will happen. Snow, south central Montana moving out. Still a little snow here for the Mission Range, Sealy Swan, and on the Bob Marshall Wilderness and the Rocky Mountain front. Skies will clear out tonight, and that will help the cooling process. So most of the state will be down in the 20s, possibly as low as the teens here tonight, and that's really going to make everything ice up. Then getting into tomorrow, not that bad of a day. It's mostly sunny, partly sunny, a couple of snow showers over the Continental Divide, but temperatures will stay pretty cold tomorrow in the 20s and the 30s. Not much melting, and then heading through Saturday night into Sunday morning, it will be even colder. Most of the state gets well down into the teens. Still a little snow there right around Marias Pass. Sunday, a pretty sunny day. We'll have some high clouds sneaking in very late in the western part of the state. Snowfall still, some accumulation down here around Livingston, out through the Billings area here, but not much in the way of snow for the capital up through Great Falls, over through Cut Bank and along the High Line here. So snow pretty much winding down. Here's the forecast for tonight. Look at these lows. Just about everybody getting down into the teens and the 20s. So anything that is wet right now will be freezing up. It's just really kind of difficult to not only drive outside, but just walk anywhere outside. A few snow showers over the big snowy south of Lewistown, and around the capital be down into the teens to about 20 degrees. Here is your Saturday forecast, and yes, some of these numbers may get up above the freezing point, but that doesn't really help. I mean, it melts a little bit, but it will be refreezing again tomorrow night. Northeast Montana will be up in the 20s and the 30s, right around the freezing point for Lewistown, right around the capital. It's a mostly sunny day with temperatures in the upper 20s and the lower 30s. So here are the next 7 days. Really not that bad this weekend. Mostly sunny Saturday and Sunday, but not much in the way of a thaw anytime soon. There's really only about 1 day out of the next 7 that we may crack the freezing point here, meaning that ice is not going anywhere. And for Great Falls, even up in the Electric City, not looking at any numbers well up into the 40s or the 50s. So it's January here, folks. Be careful out there. It is slippery as whatever you want to say.
I'm going to break out my yak tracks. Thank you, sir.